We are here at world famous Coney Island, and Tricia, for the first time in a very long time, is putting her toes in the ocean. When you live in Minnesota, you don't get that many chances to see the ocean. Cold?
I feel like I'm in a polar bear club.
Oh, she says it's cold. She feels like she's in the polar bear club. Okay, don't go too deep. The seagulls don't seem to mind the cold, mostly because there's little shell things in there that they pick up and eat. There's a guy swimming in the ocean. See if I can zoom in. Look at that. He must be cold. And here's Tricia, and I'm gonna shut the camera. Smells like Cape Cod. Okay, I can't smell it, but that's me. Okay, bye.